guys, just woke up. We'll be heading to Hatyai later in the afternoon, and see you guys in a while. Train heading over from Ipoh to Thailand, Hatyai. Nice. Yeah, we'll be heading. But it is limited to only 8 seats per coach, so it depends on the availability. So if you book early, then you'll be able to get this kind of a seats where you can sit facing each other. I mean, 4 to a table, so you can play games, table, any board games or whatsoever during the journey. Right, so this depends on the availability, and you can book it through the application for KTM. And if you manage to find those seats, yeah, you can select those without any extra charges. I've already arrived to Padang Besar, which is at the custom point. So there's a lapse time which I need to wait for around 1 hour for the custom gate to open, so that we can check out Malaysia and check in Thailand. It's not air conditioned here at Padang Besar railway station, so the waiting will be quite chow. It's kind of hot here. So yeah, so far everything goes well. Hi guys, while waiting for the immigration gate to be open, so I managed to just walk out from the checkpoint and check it out. You can see just outside the checkpoint there is a temple. Alright, so this temple, let me show you. So quite nice. You can just, if it is open, then you can just go around and check it out. So yeah, no air it's not air conditioned, fans with windows. Yeah, enjoy the fresh air. This is the railway. No trains, no trains. No kidding, man. No trains, no trains. Oh yeah. We're now in public transport in Thailand, which they call it tut tut. Tut tut. Oh, interesting. Hotel, the Golden Crown Hotel. Alright. I will rest, then later on snack market.